Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Now here's a trade that we had on NAV this morning in the GrokStar Room, and it kept way down here all the way to 21.20 and then started to run up big time. And it started a high base right here. Now I said to folks, get ready to go long on this one if it breaks the $22 mark. I was afraid if it broke out here that the 22 might hit its head on. I wanted to be long, so let's see what happened next. Boom! There we go, and now I'm long at 22.08. 22.08 long. And it pulled up here to 22.40, and then bam, pulled back all the way to 22. And it pulled my stop up, and I got out at $22. It was such a strong decline. So I lost on that one at minus 0.3% in 2 minutes. And then what happened? Bam! Look at it going down here, just all over the place. It is out. It's going, and so now it's low basing here, and it's hard to see in the static candles here. But when it was low basing here for a long time. If it broke this, I wanted to be short, and bam! It broke down below the 21.70 mark, and I'm actually got filled at 21.71. I'm short. Had to be on the uptick at the time, and bam! Look at that! Holy moly! And then look at it, goes again! And again, and again! Oh my! Now, you know, when I took this trade as a low base, I had no idea it was going to do that. I just trade what I see. And then it pulled back up. And where to pull up to? Right here to the 8 EMA, with 8 exponential moving averages is now caught up on this 1 minute chart after the gap down, and bam, look at this beautiful bear pullback. I am glad I'm still short. Now some people in the room got kicked out right here that were in the trade. I had my stop up here by the 20 period moving average, and then bam, look at that. Low, it's right here at the 2050 area. Low of day. Is it going to break it? Yeah, bam. There we go. Here we go. And another bear pullback forming here. Yeah, but now look at it. Now I'm up here at the 20. The 20 is getting very close. And so I went ahead and I took out half here at $20.56 for 5.6% on the first half. Still short the other half. Look at this beautiful bear pullback here. Back down to low at day. What's going to happen next? Whoop, boom, it goes up, and it keeps on going up. And since it closed here above the 20 period moving average, I got out on the second half for $20.60 for 5.1% on the second half. So what happened after that? It did proceed to keep on going up for a while. So for this short trade, I was short here at 21.71, half out down here, and the other half out right here as it broke the 20 period moving average for a total trade of 5.15% in 28 minutes. So the two trades combined were for a net of 4.85%. These are the kind of trades that we're doing in the GrokStar Room. And in fact, this was just 2 of the 9 trades that we made today for a net of 9.85% on all of our trades. If you'd like to come join us 30 days for free, do so. Just go to freeonline tradingeducation.com and then hit chat room page right here. And on the chat room page, there's a free chat room right here. And then down below is where you can sign up for that 30-day free trial. And you don't even need a credit card. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. I just want to remind you, according to Tharp's book on Super Trader, there's only 2 things that you need to be a super trader. And one of them is cut your losers short and let your winners run. Problem is, we are programmed to do the opposite. Trade well.